So here we have the second question. A container A contains a mixture with A% acid and another container B contains a mixture with B% acid. 2 liters of mixture from container A is mixed with 5 liters of mixture from container B to form a mixture having 75% acid. Find how many integer values of A are possible if it is given that A is greater than B and B also is an integer. So basically A and B both are integers. Let us start doing it. So I can use allegation here that first mixture, that is A, is having A% acid. The second mixture B is having B% acid, and the net percentage of acid is 75%, which is mentioned here. The weightage of A is 2 liters, weightage of B is 5 liters. So 2 liters and 5 liters are mixed. The point here is that 2 and 5, they are in their simplest form, which means you can't cancel out anything from 2 and 5. If I have to write a ratio in the simplest form, then both of them should be integers and there should not be anything else that can be cancelled out from them. Now he says that A is greater than B, and we all know in allegation, out of these two values, one would be greater than the resultant characteristic, one would be lesser than that. So A is greater than B, that means A will be greater than 75. So A minus 75 would be giving you the weightage of B, and 75 minus B would be giving you the weightage of A. But are they necessarily 2 and 5 only? Of course not. They can be 4 and 10 as well. They can be 6 and 15 as well. Though they can be other numbers as well in decimals, but question has said that A and B are integers. Therefore, the difference of integers with an integer like 75 should also be in integers. So integer wise, they can only be 2, 5, 4, 10, 6, 15, 8, 20 or 10, 25. Actually, it cannot be anything else above that. The reason is when we have a difference of 25 over here, it can only appear when your A is 100, right? 100 minus 75 can give you 25. For a 30 on the right hand side, I needed A as 105, but a percentage cannot be more than 100. It is the percentage of acid in the mixture. How can it be more than 100? So ultimately, these are the 5 values of the weightage of B which are there, and accordingly, we can write down the values of A. When it is 5, the value of A would be 80. When it is 10, the value of A would be 85. When it is 15, the value of A would be 90. For 20, it is 95, and for 25, it is 100. So these are the 5 values of A which are possible. Accordingly, there are 5 values of B as well, though that is not needed because question is not asking that. But we could have calculated those as well. I mean, the first value is 73 because 75 minus 73 gives you 2. Then 75 minus 71 gives you 4. Then 75 minus 69 gives you 6, and that way 67 and 65 would be the other two values as well. So the total possible values of A will be equal to 5. That's the right answer for us.